Vitreous cavity is bounded anteriorly by the lens zonule and ciliary body and posteriorly by the retina and optic nerve. Its volume is approximately 4.5 milliliters. Vitreous body is defined as a transparent gel that fills the posterior 4/5 of the globe. It has a sphere shape with a saucer-shaped depression anteriorly known as the anterior hyaloid or lenticular fossa. In the region of the depression, the vitreous humor is condensed and is described clinically as the anterior hyaloid face. Next, coming to the vitreous attachment. Normally cortical vitreous is loosely attached to the internal limiting membrane of the retina by scattered collagenous filaments, so if the vitreous humor degenerates and collapses causing vitreous detachment, then the filamentary attachments may adhere to the sensory retina leading to retinal hole, which may cause retinal detachment. Sites of vitreoretinal adhesions includes the following. At the vitreous base, a 4 mm band of vitreous that overlays both the ora serrata dot and the pars plana ciliaris, to which it is attached by many fibrils. Here the adhesion is very strong. At the margin of the optic disc, adhesion here is fairly strong around the fovea and around peripheral retinal blood vessels where the adhesion is weak. The peripheral anterior hyaloid may be loosely attached to the posterior capsule of the lens, forming a circle of adhesion 9 mm in diameter known as the Weigert hyaloidiocapsular ligament. This adhesion is only firm in young, then weakens by age, hence ICCE surgery is easy in old age. Vitreous is normally composed of a random network of uniformly thin collagen fibrils suspended in a highly dilute solution of salts, protein and hyaluronic acid. Its main component is water, approximately 98.5%. In young adults it is about 80% gel and 20% liquid vitreous humor and contains hyaluronic acid but not fibrils. With aging, the volume of liquid vitreous humor increases to about 50%. It is divided into two portions, cortical portion and central portion. The cortical portion circumscribes the entire vitreous body adjacent to the lens and retina. It is a condensation of collagen fibrils, cells, proteins and mucopolysaccharide and hyalurocytes. Central portion is less dense with fewer fibrils than cortical vitreous. Embryologically, the vitreous is divided into three parts. The primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary is the mesenchymal part with canal of Cloquet. Secondary constitutes most of the adult vitreous and tertiary constitutes the lens zonule.